This lesson will cover the essential principles and practices of mold and moisture remediation in school and district facilities. This lesson covers the step-by-step mold remediation process, how to choose the right cleanup and containment methods, and how to verify that remediation is complete and effective. Understanding that mold remediation is a structured process beyond just cleaning. Choosing the right cleanup and containment method depends on mold size, location, and severity. Explore different techniques for varying situations. Assess if an in-house team can handle it, or if you should call in professionals. This lesson also highlights safety first, with an emphasis on protective measures and clear communication. Enforce clear communication protocols to protect occupants and staff. Implement strict safety practices with personal protective equipment. Conduct post-remediation monitoring to verify mold removal and safety restoration. By the end of this lesson, you will understand that effective mold remediation requires eliminating the moisture source, safely containing affected areas, and verifying that the issue has been fully resolved. Remediation and mitigation focuses on selecting the right cleanup methods and maintaining clear communication and safety practices to support healthier indoor environments.